welcome to my beautiful Italian kitchen in New Zealand. Today I'm going to teach you how to make ravioli. We're going to make ravioli with two different fillings. It's spinach and ricotta and roasted pumpkin and feta. You'll see they're delicious. First thing to do is to make your fresh pasta. If you don't know how to do that, just go back to the first video I've published that teaches you how to make the fresh pasta step by step. Second thing to do is to do your filling. Now, you start by roasting the pumpkin, then you prepare your fresh cheese, ricotta and feta, and some nicely grated parmesan. And then all you need is a bunch of spinach. Pour your pumpkin into an oven dish with a little olive oil, then cook at 180 for 20 minutes. Combine pumpkin and feta, pinch of salt, and mash well to a smooth consistency. Remove stalks from spinach leaves and wash them. Boil them in salted water for a couple of minutes. Then drain well, removing all excess water. Cut the spinach up very finely, then combine with ricotta, parmesan, and a pinch of salt. Okay, so now you have your fresh pasta done. Make sure your pasta is cut into strips. The two fillings are done, so you got your spinach and ricotta, and pumpkin and feta. Now we're going to make our ravioli. Okay, so place your filling on one of the stripes and then cover with the other stripe. Stretch out the dough over your filling. Press firmly in between each raviolo with the side of your hand to make sure the pasta seals, and press down with the tip of your fingers so that there are no air bubbles. Cut your pasta with your ravioli cutter or a square cookie cutter or a knife. Our beautiful ravioli are all done with a little help of my daughter Stella. Now all we need to do is just to sprinkle a little bit of semolina on top so that they don't stick, and we need to cook them. Cook the ravioli in salted boiling water for about 5 minutes, then drain them. Our ravioli are all ready now. I like to serve them with a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil, and sprinkle some fresh grated parmesan, parmigiano. Here we go. Now I'm gonna try and let you know how it is. Let me see. That's fantastic. Really, really good. I hope you enjoyed making the ravioli with me. I'll see you next time.